Hi, Uger. My name's Corey. Vivian told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually draw more quality traffic to your site, help you close down a lot more quality deals as well. I just got your site pulled up here. I'm just going to browse through it. So the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, making sure that you're able to fit a lot more keywords. Keywords are how you're actually able to be found. Even any images that you have on your thing. This is all content. You can actually switch these out to even your name or logo. Instead of download one, I'd put some keywords and add some more pictures here. It's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of a Google here and type in pavers Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got this a little map section here. Now, really, to get the rankings in this area is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath that little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This really comes down to having that authoric content on your site, so that way you're able to be found for those keywords. And the keywords are how you're actually being found for your website, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got 34 referring domains, which is pushing back 191 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over just 300 there. Looks like you are a fairly new site. You started this back in 2019 or so. So this is the last 3 months of your website. Kind of a lost some, added a little bit more, and yeah. So you got 124 keywords you're being found for. The PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads here. I don't know if you're doing TV, radio, commercials. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But yeah, you got 35 total clicks on average to your website every month. We can actually come in and see where these 35.6 are actually coming from. Brick pavers near me. There's 450 clicks for that keyword phrase. Your 8th position, so you're getting a few clicks out of the 450. You could definitely step it up a bit and definitely get a lot more too. Paver manufacturers in Florida. Hey, let's find some good keywords here. Landscape pavers near me. 150 clicks, 16th positions. Pavers Florida. Pavers Tampa, 60 clicks every month, your 19th position. Brick Pavers Sarasota, your 80 clicks every month, 20th position. Patio Pavers Tampa, 40 clicks a month, 21st position, so you're missing all the traffic. Pavers Orlando, 60 clicks, 26th position. So you got a lot of keywords you're being found for. We should need to get some better rankings there. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Orlando Brick Pavers. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs real quick. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got 41 referring domains, which is pushing back 552 backlinks. So you're really not that far away in backlinking. They got 276 keywords they're being found for, which is pushing back 233 clicks to their website every month. So coming in and seeing where all these clicks are coming from, these are all the keywords they're ranking for, the amount of clicks per keyword, and also the amount of clicks they're getting for each keyword as well. So Orlando Pavers, there's 100 clicks every month. They're 34 clicks out of the 100, so they're getting 34% of those, which is really good because they have that first position there. Pavers Orlando, 60 clicks for that one keyword. 27 clicks out of the 60 for having that first position. So really coming in, finding more of these keywords, that's just really going to help you drive more quality work to your websites. Just it really comes down to finding those keywords and pushing enough power, making sure that you actually can land on that first page of Google there. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to get put a custom game plan to help you out there, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did on this video too, that'd be cool. Thanks. Have a good day.